Today we are with the intensive program of the basic of the French cuisine. This program, it's aimed to learn all the basics of the French cuisine, the fundamental, and to make sure that our students will be able to work in a restaurant after in the future and become just commis straight after they finish their internship. Today we are cooking a frigola langoustine with the sauce américaine, who's gonna mix different techniques and products. So a basic sauce à l'américaine, as we call it, with some crabs and langoustine. And with the frigola, which is more like an Italian recipe, where we're gonna learn also how to cook a cereal just like a risotto and to plate it and make it a nice way.